Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an uploaded file in GitHub. We will begin by navigating to your repository, then locate the specific file you wish to remove. It is a quick process, typically taking less than 1 minute to complete, once you are familiar with the steps involved. Deleting files helps keep your project space clean and efficient, removing any unnecessary clutter. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can confidently manage your repository files. Once you are logged in, simply click on the repository that contains the file you want to delete. You will then see a list of all the files and folders within that repository. Carefully browse through this list, or use the search bar if your repository contains hundreds of files to pinpoint the exact file. Ensure you are selecting the correct file before proceeding to the next step. After you have successfully located your file, click on its name to open its content page. On this page, usually near the top right, you will notice a small trash can icon. This is your primary tool for initiating the deletion process. Click this icon, and the system will then prompt you to confirm your decision, guiding you to the next crucial step in removing the file. Before the file is permanently removed, GitHub requires a commit message. This message acts as a record, explaining why the file was deleted, which is essential for project history. Type a brief, descriptive message, for example, removed outdated configuration file. Then, locate and click the green Commit Changes button. This action irrevocably removes the file from your repository's current branch, making the change permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.